Okay, so we just had our first lesson, and we're starting for the first time in this blue book, The Progressive Repertoire by George Vance. So this is just a little bit of review to get us working through page 11, which is the very first page of music in the book. And there's some symbols and things here that we might not have seen in our books at school, and the position names might even be different. So in school, you might have learned third position to be here, where your fourth finger is playing a D. But we are going to be using third position to be in a different spot. So we're going to call this third position where our first finger is on that D instead. So in order to find third position, the first thing we want to do is we want to find the corner where the neck meets the body. This is the shoulder, just like on your body, your neck meets your body at your shoulder. So we're going to find our thumb, we're going to stick our thumb right in the corner of the shoulder here, okay? And that's where third position is going to be. So the very first line of music has a solid note D with a diamond shape A above it. Now we're not playing two notes at one time, although we can do that on the bass. That diamond shape means that it's a harmonic. So we're going to play the note A with our first finger on the D string, but we're not pressing the note down. So if I play the open D, I get that sound. Again, my thumb is right here in this corner, locked in. So my first finger is going to be over this A harmonic. It's this nice, high, clear harmonic sound. So that's an A. And then there's a measure of rest, and then another 4 A's, 3, 4, and another measure of rest. The second line starts with that same A harmonic, 1, 2, 3, and then a measure of rest. And then the next measure, the third measure of this line, is an A. It's going to be our open A with our first finger marked on that diamond harmonic note on an E, which is going to be here. Okay? The third line has open D, first finger D pressed down, and first finger harmonic, and then D, first finger D pressed down, and then open D. So those are the first three lines of music on page 11. The next section is shortening bread. And the preparation exercise on the bottom of page 11 doesn't sound exactly like the song if you were going to sing the song to yourself. Mama's little baby loves shortening, shortening. It doesn't sound exactly like that, but it's all the same notes. The rhythm's just a little bit different. So we're going to be in this same position. Our thumb is locked into the corner here. Open G. If we're in this position, we get E, a high E, so two ledger lines on our fourth finger. And then first finger D. And the next line of music is another two measures of the exact same thing, a third time. And then the last two measures, we got D, D string with our fourth finger, which is a B natural note, and then A on our first finger, and then open G. So I'll play it without interrupting myself, and I'll let you play along with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. the preparation for shortening bread. You notice the little box on it says tracks 1 through 6. There is a CD that comes with the book, or maybe now it's a download code from the website. When I was younger, the book came with a CD. I think now the CDs are becoming obsolete. It's probably a download code from the internet. So if you look at page 12, this is just a preview for the next lesson. Page 12 is the same notes, G, E, D, E, and then B, A, and open G. It's the same notes in the same position, but we change a bunch of rhythms and we do different bowing patterns and different rhythms on the same exact notes. So we get used to playing the notes here in tune, and we get practice where the position is and practice our intonation, and we get to practice playing different rhythms with the bow. But that's just a little bit of a preview if you want to start looking at page 12 once page 11 feels really comfortable. Okay? All right, good luck, and I'll see you at the next lesson.